As an image consultant, let me share one small skill that can immediately make you sound more confident. Most women speak very fast when they are nervous or when they want others to understand them quickly. But powerful women do the opposite. They slow down. Here is a simple technique I teach my clients. After every important sentence, pause for 1 second. Just 1 second. This pause shows that you are calm, in control, and sure of what you are saying. Also remember, when you speak slower, your voice automatically becomes deeper and clearer. No shouting, no rushing. Confidence is not only seen, it is heard. So today, try this in one conversation. Slow speech, strong image. Practice this today and notice how differently people listen to you.